Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the morning edition of the daily weather briefing video. This is for Friday, the 22nd of July. I'm James Spann. Had that big massive storms that blew through yesterday with downed trees, power lines, some flooding, some hail. Pretty active weather day. Today should be much calmer across the state with the better chance of storms by afternoon shifting down into the southern counties of the state. So here we go. This is the upper air look across the country this morning. And again, the core of the upper high is still off to the west. Check the radar composite early this morning, doing this update live at 5:22 a.m. And you can see a lingering band of rain from near Tuscaloosa over to Shelby County, then curving south down toward Mobile. And that is all that's left of that big MCS, the mesoscale convective system that came through yesterday. And notice in the animation how we've got that swirl over there. That is an MCV, a mesoscale convective vortex generated by the massive storms. And again, if you're in Tuscaloosa, Brent, West Blockton, you've got some rain early this morning, but that should not last long. And for a decent chunk of north and central Alabama, not everybody, but a decent part of that part of the state, the day will be dry with most of the storms by afternoon down across South Alabama. Temperatures are mostly in the low and mid 70s to start the day. Highs today at or just over 90 in most spots. And we don't have any of the heat messages from the Weather Service today here. We do have some heat advisories just west of here. And those extend out to parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, and across the Great Plains. And a few pockets up in the northeast under heat advisories. So this is the severe weather outlook today. Yesterday we had that, level 2 out of 5. We do not have that today. No organized severe storms expected. We have some marginal risks to the north. This is tomorrow, Saturday. We have an enhanced risk for parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin. Most of the active storms up around the Great Lakes. And day 3, which is Sunday, a marginal risk well to the north. So here's the rain for the next 7 days, and really not a lot. And understand, every day in the summer, yes, there could be an afternoon storm, but nothing like yesterday for the next 7 days. Storms should be random and fairly widely scattered. This is showing not much at all for North Alabama. Average amounts about 1/2 inch for the south. And the tropics remain very quiet here on the 22nd of July. Nothing for the next 2 days, nothing for the next 5 days off in the Atlantic Basin. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. And again, we have ridging here, the higher heights off to the west. And again, by afternoon, the northern half of the state, relatively dry. Not everybody, but relatively dry. The better chance of scattered showers and storms across the southern counties of the state. This is the high-resolution NAM, the North American Mesoscale model, today at 1 o'clock, showing again the bulk of the showers and storms over South Alabama. This is tomorrow as the weekend begins. Kind of hot. Storms should be few and far between. And the same thing on Sunday. Could there be a pop-up storm? Yes, but probably not many. Highs in the mid-90s most likely, and that's going to be the theme for next week. We'll roll through the days. This is Monday and this is Tuesday. A few scattered storms, hot, humid. Wednesday looks pretty quiet. This is Thursday of next week. And a week from today, back to the upper levels. And again, this better tells the story. This is for Friday the 29th. Big upper high in the west. It's pretty standard ridge here. And pretty standard summertime weather. Partly sunny, hot, humid. The chance of scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms in random spots. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday of the last day of July, 31st of July. Again, showing ridging here. And again, it's the standard summer weather formula. Partly sunny, hot, humid. Chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. This is the rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean, the green line, showing about 2 inches between now and the 5th of August. Temperatures from the National Blend of Models, NBM. Yeah, that looks like summertime. Highs mostly low in mid-90s. Lows mostly low in mid-70s. Exactly what you expect this time of the year. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the House, this is for July 29th through August 4th. Temperatures could very well be a little above average. So many people watched the Sky Show last night. Did you see all of this? It doesn't matter if it was raining or not where you are. These summer storms can be over 50,000 feet tall somewhere last night, and they can provide almost nonstop lightning, and that's quite a show. Those were storms over northwest Alabama last night. And again, the storms are simply too far away to hear the thunder. We all know there's no such thing as heat lightning. All of the lightning you see here, it's generated by a storm. It's just too far away to hear the thunder. And of course, the big story yesterday, very tragic news. We had 2 fatalities from the storms that came through the Birmingham metro when a tree fell through this house in the western part of the city. And the really sad news, the 2 fatalities were young children. And one infant, I believe one was 3, and an infant. And again, we just hate to see that. But again, a tree going through this house in the western part of Birmingham yesterday. Certainly some very, very sad news. So that is it for the morning edition of the weather briefing video. If you're new to this, we're live for me weekday mornings about 5:15 to 5:30, weekday afternoons around 2:30 or so. But most people watch it later. We understand that. If you can catch us this evening, we'll be on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. And, of course, we always have notes on the blog, AlabamaWX.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.